13 Claude AI side hustles that can pay you a full-time income. Every single side hustle you've heard of makes money, but some are better than others. My name's Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, cash in my bank account. Revenue was $7,000. So when I break this down for you, I'm speaking from experience. Side hustle number 1 is selling online courses using Claude to build them from scratch. You pick a topic people actually want to learn. It could be anything. And Claude helps you research it, structure it into a clear curriculum, and write out the lesson content itself. And the part that changes everything in 2026 is that you don't need to already be the expert, because Claude can act as the expert. It can pull together the best information on almost any subject and organize it into a clear and useful online course. Once your course is built, you have 2 ways to get attention and sell it. You can build a personal brand, like on my channel, like what I'm doing right now, show your face, use your name, post content, and become the recognizable name people trust in your niche. Or you can go completely faceless and use an AI avatar through a tool like HeyGen or a cloned voice through something like 11 Labs and run the whole thing without ever being on camera. Either route works, and the reason this beats everything else on this list is that you build a course once and it keeps paying you all the time. Every sale puts money in your account, whether you're actively working that day or not. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Side hustle number 2 is starting a paid newsletter in a niche you find interesting, using Claude to help you research and write each issue. The upside is it's genuinely passive once you have subscribers locked in, and you can start with almost no audience. The downside is newsletters live and die on consistency. If you miss issues or the quality drops, people cancel fast, and it usually takes a long time before the subscriber count is big enough to actually replace a full income. Side hustle number 3 is writing and publishing ebooks on Amazon using Claude to help you draft the manuscript. The upside is the barrier to entry is low, and you can publish multiple books to stack up small income streams. The downside is the ebook market on Amazon is extremely saturated. Most books only sell a handful of copies, and you often need real marketing skill outside of Amazon just to get any traction at all. Side hustle number 4 is building and selling Notion templates using Claude to help you write the content and instructions inside them. Things like budget trackers, content planners, or project management systems. The upside is templates are quick to make and can sell passively for years with zero extra work. The downside is the price point is usually quite low. People expect to pay $5 to $20 maximum, which means you need a lot of traffic, a lot of volume of sales, and there's already so much competition for this out there. Side hustle number 5 is writing product listings and descriptions for Etsy sellers or print-on-demand shop owners using Claude to speed up the copywriting. The upside is there's constant demand since sellers are always launching new products. The downside is this is straight client work. You get paid per listing or per project, and the second you stop taking clients, the income stops with you. Side hustle number 6 is writing show notes, summaries, and episode scripts for podcast hosts, using Claude to turn a raw transcript into something more polished. The upside is podcasters need this every single week, so the work is steady. The downside is it's repetitive, time-locked work. You're paid for hours, not for building anything that keeps paying you later, even when you're not working. Side hustle number 7 is turning your own knowledge into a productized consulting offer. You can offer a fixed price package instead of hourly consulting, using Claude to help you build the frameworks and deliverables. Now, you do need expertise to be able to do this, but the upside is it pays really well and positions you as an authority. The downside is it still requires you personally on every single call, so your income's got a hard ceiling based on how many hours you actually have in a week. Side hustle number 8 is writing YouTube scripts for other creators or businesses using Claude to help you match their tone and structure. The upside is good script writers are in real demand and can charge well per script. The downside is you're at the mercy of the client's schedule and revisions, and if they stop making videos or they find somebody cheaper, which they can probably do easily, that income disappears basically overnight. Side hustle number 9 is building small, simple software tools or apps using Claude's coding help and selling access to them, things like a basic calculator tool or a niche tracker. The upside is a tool like that can generate recurring subscription revenue with very little ongoing work. The downside is you need to learn at least the basics of how software gets deployed and maintained, and if something breaks, you're the one who's got to fix it. Side hustle number 10 is building a content website around product reviews or recommendations, using Claude to help you write articles and earning commissions through affiliate links. The upside is once a site starts ranking on Google, it can bring in money with almost no daily effort. The downside is it can take months before you see any real traffic or any sales, and Google's algorithm changes constantly. So a site that's working today can lose half of its income, even 100% of its income overnight pretty much. Side hustle number 11 is putting together niche research or industry reports and selling them to small businesses using Claude to gather and organize the data. The upside is businesses pay well for reports that save them time. The downside is each report is essentially a custom project. So it's closer to freelance work than something you build once and then it sells for you forever. It's not that passive. Side hustle number 12 on the list is writing grant applications or business proposals for non-profits and small companies using Claude to help structure and draft the writing. The upside is this pays pretty well per project since the stakes for the client are high. The downside is it's a slow, detail-heavy process and you're still fully trading your time for each individual client. Side hustle number 13 is building a paid membership community around a topic you know well, using Claude to help you create the content, lessons, and resources members get access to. The upside is it can create real recurring monthly income and a loyal audience around you. The downside is members expect ongoing value, new content, and engagement from you regularly. So unlike a course you build once, a community needs consistent upkeep to keep people paying. So looking back at that list, there's 13 solid ways to make money online. But almost every one of them either has you trade time for money or you need constant upkeep to keep the income flowing, so it's not very passive. Selling online courses is the one exception because you can build it once with Claude's help and then you choose how you want to get in front of people, either with a personal brand, you use your face, your name, or completely faceless using an AI avatar or an AI voice of someone who doesn't exist, and either way, it keeps selling long after the work is done. And remember, you don't need to already be the expert to build an online course business because Claude can research almost any topic for you and help you structure it into a real course. All you need to do is to pick the subject and put it in front of the right people. And after being exposed to that subject for so long, you'll become an expert anyway. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.